This is that malaxis I recently discovered in this forest patch about a month back, not even a month, some 20 days back. And I was so happy to see this species which I had never encountered before. And I found that this particular little patch is full of this plant. See, even walking on right on the path itself, they're all sprouting, and walking itself is such a dicey thing because it's so easy to step on these rare beauties. They're all over the place, and I think I could find two varieties were used in Ayurveda, and then one of them grows from the dead last year's the tuber or whatever, this root. So the last year's growth dies, and then the new one comes the next year. And flowers, I was waiting for the flowers. Now it has flowered. So their flowers are so tiny. I'm having a tough time to capture it on these videos. Let me try. Got it. Yeah, you can see they're so like little jewels actually. Flowers, I just even touching it is enough to. You can see the height of the flower is 2 inches. Most probably it's either a jivaka or rishabaka of Ayurveda. I think it must be the jivaka, I think. Anyway, now I got the clear picture of the flower. I'm going to refer it and do another video on this plant about its medicinal properties and all. You can see a little bit about the forest.